to the what's happening? Go John Plan. Way in. Baby, yes. What's up, y'all? Your girl just came from Subway. I literally got out my bed, got ready just to come to Subway and give me a veggie wrap. That way I can, because I made me some crab salad as well at the house. So I got me a veggie wrap. I originally went for the spinach wrap, but they didn't have the spinach wrap. She said something about that they don't have them anymore. I don't know, because I just seen that they had them or whatever. But anyways, that's what I came for, the spinach wrap. But they didn't have, so I got the regular tortilla and I got a veggie wrap. Okay, and I'm gonna go home, open it up, and put my little crab salad in it that I made. Oh my goodness, talk about something gonna be good. It's gonna be so good. I mean, I could have went to the store and bought all the fixings and all that stuff, but that takes too long, and I wasn't with that. So yeah, how y'all like this no baby hair wig? The video will be dropping soon. I don't know if it's gonna drop before or after these, but yeah, the girl's leaving so anyway, I don't know, this man getting in front of me. Let me pull out, and this ride right here. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all when I get to the house. This is a pregnancy craving, baby. Yes, I'm gonna eat so good, gonna relax. I might get back on here later, y'all. You guys tired? Come on, let's eat. Ready to eat? Go, baby, go, baby, go. Go, baby, go, baby, go. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna be putting out this little stand, twirly I got this off of Shein. I've had it for a few months. And it's so messy and junky to me. Like, I'm gonna clean it off. So why not do that with you all? Because I just feel like it needs to be cleaned off. I keep my perfumes and my jewelry and like night facial things up here or whatever. And then my husband, he done put some other stuff up here, y'all. Why he did that, I don't know. But we're gonna clean this off. Yeah, we're gonna clean this off, and I'm gonna clean it off with you guys. It's like a lot of stuff up there. I don't know if y'all can see the bottom or not, but there's some stuff down here that we're gonna be cleaning off. So let's go.
Walk it like I talk it, 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 walk it like I walk it like I walk it like I walk it like I walk it like
This is, I did smell this. Yeah, I like perfume, but I won't spend like a bunch of money on it, okay? That's just unnecessary to me. I'ma smell good regardless, okay? Baby, that do smell good. Now I remember why I bought that. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Kind of like want to space them out. If I like to do this over here. I love me some of this salt. It smells so good. Love my husband. Okay, so I've cleaned the stand off, you guys. Like, it looks so good and so clean now. Loving it. All my stuff that I like the most. And then we'll go down to here. And then really nothing's on the bottom right here. Okay, it's like 4 things, but yeah.
My husband just went and got me this pillow, y'all. He's surprised with this pillow. If you drew a man like that, okay? Your girlfriend's look comfortable.
I think that was a... Alright. Okay, you guys. Natural face, natural hair, everything today. Your girl just got done flatlining, washing, blow drying, flatlining my hair. And let me tell y'all how this hairdresser wore my hair when I went a few months ago. Maybe a few months ago, probably about 6 months ago. The girl went to the hair salon for like the second time. Probably longer than that, I don't know, but this woman ruined my hair. And I'm just very much upset about it. Like, she got my ends and stuff breaking off. Like, well, they're not breaking off, she took them out. And I very much will never be going back to her again. Probably won't be going back to the hair salon and just sticking to doing my own hair. Okay? That's why I want to go in the first place. I mean, she did a good job on flat iron and everything. It was just the way that she was handling it. I don't know. Yeah, y'all know your girl wasn't even too keen on going to the hair salon. But your girl went, and I got exactly what I knew it was gonna be happening. I mean, it's still good. It's just I had to chop off some ends. I had to chop some of my ends off. But I don't know. But yeah, and then she put like some chemicals in my hair, and I asked her what that was, and y'all, she told me it was shampoo. But it's funny because the lady came in to get her hair dyed in the same shampoo bottle that she used on my hair, that she said it was shampoo because I told her it was burning. Literally told her, I was like, oh, what is that? It's burning. Like, she was like, oh, it's shampoo. And I'm like, okay, like, shampoo don't burn. You know, I'm like, okay, maybe it's you know, they secret shampoo. So the lady came in to get her hair dyed. She sat in the chair beside me, blah, 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 blah. It was time to rinse the hair out. And she had like, no, it was, she was sitting there and her hair was getting dyed black, and like all the stuff was on her ear or whatever, the dye. And the lady got the same shampoo bottle that she said was shampoo. She put it on one of those little cotton pads and she wiped the stuff off the lady's ear. Y'all tell me. That wasn't no shampoo, baby. Cause I use all type of shampoo and it don't ever burn my hair, okay? But yeah, use the same shampoo to clean dye off a woman's ear. Baby, that's not no shampoo. I don't know what it was. Maybe it was one of their concoctions, but your girl won't be going back. And that was, I want to say, about 6 months ago, probably even longer than that. I don't know, it was the last time I went to the hair salon, but yeah, I know I do keep my hair a little braided up, but she did take out some of my hair, and I am just over, like, I'll not really take it out, but like she damaged my ends of how she was pulling it. Like, she did a good job on flat iron and stuff like that, but she took my ends off, okay? Y'all know I had my hair dyed, and I have had it in there for like 2 or 3 years dyed, and this is how much my hair grew. And where is the piece? So that's how, okay, look, this is the dye. That's just a little bit of dye right there, and y'all know my dye was like to here. So she definitely did what she did, and maybe the chemical, I don't know, y'all, because y'all know your girl is natural. And then she wanted to keep pressuring me to get a relaxer. I'm like, oh no, I try to relax. A relaxer's not good for my hair, you know, probably good for somebody else's hair. She's like, oh, I have your hair real straight. And I'm like, oh yeah, I know, I used to get them all the time, okay? All the time, you know. But anyways, enough on my hair. Your girl just won't be going back to the hair salon. Okay, you guys, I switched my hair back to my favorite, one of my favorite wigs. Don't play with. What is going on with this baby hair? And of course, it's not glue down. I just got to be glue spray. I just put it on like 5 minutes ago. Anyways, we're about to go to the parade. Let my baby go to the parade. He went last year too. I mean, we go every year, but he was small and he ain't know what he was looking at. But now he know what he's looking at, ain't it, David?
Yeah. What up, y'all?
But yeah, me and David got on orange. Davey has on red, and I think blue.
What up, y'all?
And man, then we got an orange. I got blue in my dress. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like blue all the way through. Come on, baby. Oh, you putting your shoes on? But we're ready. Huh? And then we're going to my little cousin's birthday party when we get back after the parade. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna go. I'll meet y'all there. Ready to go. Say hey, baby.
Walk it like I talk it, 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 walk it like I walk it like I walk it like I talk it, walk it like I walk it like I
Hey, who the hell was grabbing that?
What you do? Everybody come.
Walk it like I walk it like I walk it like I walk it like I